Welcome! In front of me I have a Huawei Watch GT Runner, and I'm gonna show you how to change the app menu layout on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, we can press the home button again to open the menu, the app menu. And here we have the app menu, and we can change the layout of it. To do it, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called watch face and home and tap on it. Now scroll down, tap on home, and here we can select between grid and list. The list one is the one you saw before. Basically the apps are listed. You have list of apps, and the grid is basically, it's gonna be in the grid. You will have the couple of rows of icons. So if I selected the grid, go back to the home screen, press the home button to open the app menu. You can see we have a grid, and you can zoom in and zoom out by using the crown like that, by rotating the crown. You can also move around in the grid menu by swiping on the screen. Okay, let's bring it quickly to the list because it's easier to use, like that. And basically that's how you change the app menu layout on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.